built-in git command to restore the working tree files is git restore. On using git restore on the unstaged modified files, the changes in those files are removed. For example, if I use git restore on a deleted file, it will be brought back, whereas on using git restore on a modified file, its changes will be lost. For restoring the staged files, we use the flag --staged with git restore, provide the files as arguments, and those files are unstaged. So git restore --staged unstages the files we provide as input and brings them back to the working tree. Git restore doesn't have any effect on the untracked files. If we want to remove them, we can simply use the remove command. There's a chance of unintentionally losing your changes if you're not careful in selecting the correct files. Git doesn't provide a prompt before removing the changes. custom-git's grestore command provides a safety net to prevent such unintended mistakes. grestore shows all the files present in the working tree in a scrollable list. We can view the changes by pressing the question mark before selecting the files. The symbols shown next to the files represent the type of the change. The letter A signifies a new file. If we select this file and press enter, grestore will prompt us to confirm removing this file. Remember that we had manually removed the new files, but grestore does that operation for us on pressing Y. If we don't want to remove this file, we'll press N. In the same way, we are prompted for a confirmation for modified files as well. However, if we have selected a deleted file, grestore will not ask for permission, as there is no risk of losing any changes. The deleted file will simply be restored in the local repository. Let's talk about the case of renaming a file. There are two operations underneath renaming a file. One, creating a new file with the same contents, and two, deleting the old file. If you want to restore the rename operation, both these operations are restored individually. That is, the deleted file is brought back and the new file is deleted after taking the confirmation. Recall that for restoring the staged files, we had used the flag --staged with grestore. Similarly, custom-git provides the command grestore staged, which displays all the staged files. On selecting the required files, we do not get any confirmation prompt because the changes are not lost. The files are simply unstaged and brought back to the working tree. We can use grestore dot to restore all the unstaged files one by one with confirmation. Likewise, grestore staged dot will unstage all the files present in the staging area without confirmation.